I think you need to do your homework well, because I said Indian society is regressive for women. See the interview again, and
Why do you think Indian society is regressive for women?
I'll tell you exactly why. This is my point of view. With female feticide, infanticide happening on almost a daily basis, with gang rapes making the headlines of every newspaper, with honor killings. Today only I tweeted about it. Today I read in the paper, according to UNFPA, 40% of Indian women, 40% are married below the age of 18. I think it's a very, very regressive state for women. And I stand by it.
You said you are not happy with the state of affairs in this country. It's regressive and depressing.
Can we play my interview right now?
So
right now, let's play it.
My question is that why would you want to find true love in a country you're not happy with?
I never said I'm not happy with India.
You are anyway settled in LA, so
excuse me. I'm not settled in LA. I was never settled in LA. I go to Los Angeles to work. I've done 2 films there and a video with Bruno Mars. I live in India. मैं हिंदुस्तानी लड़की हूँ और मैं हिंदुस्तान कभी नहीं छोड़ूंगी. मेरी जड़ें हिंदुस्तान में ही है और मुझे छोड़ना भी नहीं है. और जहां तक मेरे इंटरव्यू की बात रही, आज सारी प्रेस है, अभी YouTube में वो इंटरव्यू चलाते हैं. मैंने एक बार भी नहीं कहा कि इंडिया रिग्रेसिव है, डिप्रेसिंग है. आप प्लीज अपना होमवर्क कीजिए. जो औरतों की स्थिति है आज हमारे देश में, वो रिग्रेसिव है, डिप्रेसिंग है.
It's been a huge controversy, Mallika. So, most of the people in this country believe that you said that.
I don't care what people believe.
You should actually correct it.
You should correct it as a woman. As a woman, you have to correct it. It's your responsibility. आपने देखा, आज मैंने ट्वीट किया.
Responsibility, I know what my responsibilities are. I'm supposed to report what is said and the clarifications that people made. Which is why I'm asking you this, because what people believe in India is that that's what you said. So I'm
glad you're clarifying. I'm glad you're clarifying, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to clarify.
Hi, this is Shilpa Shukla. Please do subscribe to Bollywood Now.